Right, nothing you son. Rough. Rough sea, bitch. Rough.
So look, this is it.
You love my finger. Come on. Got a bark on you, ain't you, boy? Going for my hand, are you? Ah! Little squeaky. Go. Come on, give us a proper bark. Ah, that's a bit better. Come on, man up. Man up like Connor. Connor Mailer.
Look at this guy.
Nerdatronic. Go on, you have that tea towel, son. You rip it apart. Yeah.